Hello everybody, Andrew Majewski here with Epicure. So let's talk about starting to sponsor somebody and kind of what questions a potential teammate might be asking you and how to answer them. So I would say the most common question that I first get, even if I don't know who this person is and they're just simply sending me a message, they will always say, hello, I'm thinking about joining Epicure. What is in the kit? So you want to always have on hand a picture of the current kit plus a list of contents and let them know how much the kit actually has. Like I even have to check, and I'm going to check that now. I believe it has like $400 worth of products. I'm just pulling up the list for myself. Actually, in Canada, it has almost $500 worth of products for only $175 plus the shipping. And for the US, it's over $450 worth of products, which is $150 US plus shipping. In fact, I can show you guys. Now I have a lot of things open right now on my computer, so forgive me for the mess. But so can everybody see this here? So I will actually save this. So I take a picture of the first page and the second page. I put it in my cell phone and on my iPad. So then that way, if I'm on the couch and I have just somebody sending me a message asking about the kit, I don't have to say, oh, I will show you that in like 3 hours when I get back on my computer. I like to show them right away. Doesn't always happen. Like when I used to work outside of the house, I clean people's teeth in their homes. Sometimes I would kind of have to say, shoot, I'm just about to go into somebody's house for work. I apologize, but I will get back to you in like 3 hours. So even if you can't answer them right away, just let them know that you did see their message and that you will get back to them. Because I remember when I was looking for somebody to sign up under, I was literally just messaging anybody because I didn't really know anybody. And you would be surprised. A lot of people didn't get back to me. Like I probably messaged, I don't know for sure, but I'd say about 5 people, and only 3 of them got back to me. One of them got back to me within about a half an hour, but I do understand that that's not always possible. So I didn't hold it against the other people. But the other ones didn't get back to me at all. And the other 2, like they would give me kind of one-word answers. So that's another thing. When somebody's asking you about the kit or asking you about the company, let's say somebody says, hey, I'm interested in signing up for Epicure. What is the business kit? Don't just send them those pictures and then that's it. You know, you want them to know that you are interested, and you should be, right? You want somebody to sign up under you. So message them those images and then say something like, where do you live? Because in Canada, it's this price. In the US, it's this price. But look at page number 2. Look at everything that is involved in the kit. It is amazing. You know, act interested as you should be, right? But also don't talk too much. I can't stand when somebody sends you like 3 paragraphs of something that's obviously copied and pasted. I know that's so much easier to just copy and paste something, but don't do it. If you're going to do it, change it up for everybody and don't send them like 3 paragraphs at once. Just my opinion. Like I would wait for them to respond. Always wait for them because you don't know what questions they have, right? You don't know. You could be telling them all about the company, and then they message you back and say, actually, I just wanted the kit for myself. That's fine. That's totally okay. But see how you might look like you're overwhelming them when you send them, oh, well, I'll just send her or him the commission info. I will tell them how many people I have on my team. I will tell them how long I've been with Epicure. They might not care and you might scare them away. So I send them a picture of the kit. I'll talk about it a little bit, like in a couple sentences, and then I wait for them to get back to me. After that, somebody might say, oh, you know, can you tell me more about the steamer? You know, I see it includes a steamer. What is that? You know, so then let them know. Say something like, oh my goodness, I use the steamer for everything. You will love it. The big ones about $50, the smaller ones like $25, and you get that included in your kit. So that's it. Do not then start talking about, and you can get your kit for free your first 3 months if you do this number of cooking classes, if you sell like $250 times 4. Don't start all of that unless they ask you the question. Okay, so see how you want to act friendly, but you don't want to overwhelm them. Okay, so that's what I do. So I just kind of answer them what they need to, what kind of questions they have. What else, guys? So then they might ask you more questions and then just simply answer them. But another common question, of course, is how much do you have to sell? When I say to somebody, you need to sell $250 of product in 3 months, everybody, including me, says, oh my God, that's a lot. Okay, they will tell you that. Do not say things like, I know it sucks, or I know it's nearly impossible. No. I mean, because I don't even think that that's true anyway. I can sell $250 a month easily, but let them know how. Don't just simply say, oh, it isn't that hard, because then they'll be looking at your message and saying, okay, well, she's just saying that because she wants me to sign up under her. $250 is crazy. Let them know how you're able to do that. Like I would say something like, I don't even hold cooking classes on in person because I don't have time for that. I don't really know how to do that. I focus on cooking classes online, and I can teach you how to do that if that is something you are interested in. Sometimes all I do is simply like post a link to a cooking class on my page on Facebook, on my timeline, on my Instagram, and I tell people, if you want to order anything from Epicure, click this link here. There you go. And then all of those sales from that link gets included in your cooking class, and then everything adds up, and then before you know it, it's $250 easily. I started a pantry club, so I will talk to them about that too if they're interested. So I find that's the biggest one, is the $250. People will be kind of like, oh my God. But also let them know and say, hey, you have nothing to lose. You will get this amazing kit for like $450, $500 worth of products for only $175. You can keep everything. Use it for yourself or use it for your cooking classes. That's totally up to you. The worst case is you don't sell anything, but that's not even the worst case, because you will still have this amazing kit that you can use. So that's kind of the worst case, but not really the worst case, because you're still getting something out of it. So let them know that too, because for a lot of these companies, they have to buy these huge kits of like samples, this and this and this, when you can't really use them if you're not selling anything, right? Like you're not going to keep the samples for yourself. Like, yay, I got these lip color swatches or these nail color swatches. Well, what are you going to do with them if you're not selling your lip colors, selling your nail polish? Yes, you can keep it all for yourself, but it might have this big kit that you have spent hundreds of dollars on. Are you really going to use all of that for yourself? Maybe, maybe not, right? But that's another thing, you guys. People need to sign up for companies where they like the products. Everybody has to eat. Everybody likes food, hopefully, and if they don't yet, they are going to with Epicure, because you will learn how to cook things in a more exciting way, and that tastes so much better and so much healthier. So Epicure is a win-win. Like, it basically sells itself. It's not like you're selling nail polish or a nail polish company to somebody who doesn't wear nail polish. Everybody has to eat, right? So it makes our job easier. It really, really does. I'm trying to think of other common questions. So the next thing that I do, which I did forget to mention, is I will let them know that if you want to sign up, let me know. I am so happy to answer any questions. And I do give them the link that I did create on my website for them to enter in their like name, email, address. We need the phone number. We need their birthday. And of course, their payment info. Because I found before that when I would ask people all of this over, say, like Messenger or text, email, they kind of said, well, I don't really want to give you my credit card info by email, or I don't want to give you my credit card info over Messenger. But that's really the easiest way for me to submit payment. Yes, they can pay me by PayPal, but then I have to put in my credit card info. It's just kind of too much work, right? So I do have them go to my website, which actually I can show you guys, where they just fill out everything there. If you're thinking, I don't know how to make a website, let me know. I am more than happy to make one for you, actually. Yes, I am more than happy to do that. It doesn't take me long. They would just be using my address. It would be sent to my email, but then I would just send it to you. So if you want, look, just let me know. If you're on my team, let me know. So I can't do that for everybody because that does still take work. But if you're on my team, I am happy to do that. In fact, let me pause and then I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. So just one sec. Okay guys, sorry about that. So I'm just going to share my screen and then I'm going to show you guys what that looks like here. So I just send them to this link here and see how I just sort of created this contact form where they just have to fill out their name, email, address, their birthday, their number, their credit card info. It gets sent to me. And then it gets sent to my email within like 10 minutes. So then I let them know that after that, all I have to do is I have to enter in their info, which I can show you guys that too. Where's my Epicure page here? So just to show you guys, so when you guys log in to your Epicure, you just have to go into the 3 lines up at the top, click on sponsoring, of course, and then click on oh, this was over here. Add a new consultant, the upper right-hand side. So right here, you guys. And then you would just add new and then sort of follow the steps from there. It will ask you to enter in their name, email, and their phone number first, then their address, their birthday, and then you will have the option of picking a kit for them, either English or French. That's it, easy. They can't just sign up on their own. So they have to know a consultant or just kind of contact one. And then we would sign them up. And then you would enter in their credit card info. It sends you like your order has been processed, it's been confirmed. So I will actually send them like a picture of that so they can see that I did put their order through, and they do get an email from Epicure within like 10 minutes. So it's pretty quick. Just a little side note, make sure that they pay you before you submit it, okay? Because you don't want to have them seem interested. You say you do put it on your credit card, and then they say that they will give you like cash, email transfer, pay by PayPal afterwards. Make sure that you will get that money before you submit that, because you don't know. They could be interested and then you never hear from them again, and then here you've sent them this kit that they haven't paid for. So just a little side note. So then after that, you guys, I do add them to our group on Facebook, which I can show you that too. Let's see, I'm just moving my screens over. So then I will add them to our training page, and then we also have a page on Messenger too. I will add them to. I will say welcome, and then I let them know that they can just simply look through everything. I do have some training videos if they have any questions to let me know, and I do also let them know that they can sell before they get their kit. So they don't have to wait for their kit to come in the mail. It takes about a week to 2 weeks, usually about a week. They're pretty quick with those, which is nice. But I let them know, like, tell people that you now sell Epicure, because people will want something. You don't have to sell, like, hey guys, I sell Epicure, who wants to order? And then like 10 minutes later, hey guys, I sell Epicure, who wants to order? You don't have to do that, but post about you being a part of this amazing company, and people will want to place orders. The nice thing about Epicure too is, which I can show you guys, you can log in right away, which is awesome. So let me share my screen here. So I tell everybody that as a new consultant, you should just log in right away. If you click on those 3 lines up the top, go up to tools, and a new consultant, start here. Read through all of this, because now is your time to read through it as you're waiting for your kit. So then that way, any questions, you sort of have a good idea. I tell people also we have training here click on that and just look through everything so you have an idea of what to do when you get started. I don't expect you to be an expert on everything right away. So if you guys have questions, let me know, but it just kind of helps to have all of this sort of at your fingertips too. Another thing that I like to tell new consultants to look in, I believe it's under business tools. It's funny, I always have a hard time finding it. Oh yes, so it's under the business tools, product information. Any product that they have a question with or their customers do, it's all right here. So let's say somebody was asking about the Chocolaty Temptation Cupcake Mix. Click on that. We have everything right here for you because customers will ask. They will say, well, how do you make it? And as a new consultant, you're thinking, I don't know, I just started like 2 hours ago. Just click here and then let them know this is how they can make it. They might say to you, how much sugar does it have? Look in here, it says it right here. So we make things super easy for you. I hope that helps you guys. So that's how I kind of answer questions, how I sign up my sponsors, and then kind of how I help them through everything as soon as they do sign up. So let me know though if I forgot something, please just comment below and I will see you guys in the next one.